What's up, guys? This is Arkell with passiveautomation.com. I wanted to come to you today and share a little video with you about the beauty of passive income. As you can see here, I have a little brace on my wrist. I actually ended up breaking my wrist on Independence Day. I was going longboarding and had a little fall. I'm actually gonna, let me show you this little clip. Here's me just a few minutes before. I was taking some video for an intro on my YouTube channel. My daughter was taking it of me. Yeah, and then we went, there you go, went down a little further and went down a big hill. Ended up kind of wobbling and falling off my board and breaking my wrist. You can see right here the break right there. Anyway, so wanted to talk to you today about the beauty of passive income, because while I was in the Instacare and having a bad day at on the 4th of July, something awesome was happening, and that's called passive income. People were actually going to my website, searching around, and I'm going to show you really quickly what was going down. So this is my website, passiveautomation.com. I want to walk you through the journey of somebody on my site and what ended up happening. So, I do reviews of courses. I talk about different products, talk about how to make money online. I have a particular article called "What is the Core?" Jordan Medrick's membership site. The Core, for those of you who don't know, it is it's a membership site where Jordan shares a lot of marketing tips. He'll create funnels every month for you to use. He's a really good mentor and a good coach. And he has a lot of resources on his site. And so he's been pushing heavily this paid membership. And I have this article on here. And if you look, actually, let's do it incognito. And I'm going to try to type. It's kind of hard with my broken wrist. So if you look up "What is the Core?" membership site, Jordan Medrick, my article shows up, and then a YouTube video as well. And there's a couple other core reviews, but mine for right now shows up as the top one. And so somebody was browsing around. If you look at my article, talks about the core, what it is, has a YouTube video that I shot. So again, here is my YouTube video. So what I did is I created this blog article, and then I also shot a YouTube video, but then I took the YouTube video and actually embedded it in my blog article, which is something I'd recommend you doing. Talk about the core, what is it? I give some testimonials, talk about what's in there, all the value you get, how much it costs, what it looks like inside. Talking about how you can become an affiliate if you join the core. And then I talked about the bonuses that you'd get for signing up through my link versus just going to the core directly. A buddy of mine, Scott Anderson, did a little testimonial because one of my bonuses is one-on-one Voxer access. So basically I came home from the Instacare, spent a couple hours there, came home later that night on July 4th. I'd open the email, but it has the person's name. I could just block it out on the editor, but I don't want to waste the time. So I got this notification that you made a commission of $38.80. So that was definitely awesome. It's cool when you see that your website or your YouTube channel and the content that you've placed out there, that is kind of working 24/7. This person came onto my blog, read the blog, clicked the affiliate link, purchased the core, a membership, and then he actually ended up emailing me and saying, "Hey, can you send me the bonuses?" Now the wonderful thing about this membership site and being an affiliate of the core, and a lot of softwares as well, being an affiliate there, is this $38.80 of commission is something that I'm going to get every single month that this person is in the core. And Jordan does a great job with the core. I know the person that signed up will be very impressed and won't want to leave. So I'll keep getting that revenue every month. As you can see, the very next day, I got another one here. Another commission. This is actually from the same person. It was just a rebill for the following month. So if you guys are trying to get started in affiliate marketing, what you need to do and to gain this passive income, you need to create the content. So again, for me, the content was here. It's on my blog, okay? It's also on this YouTube video, on my YouTube channel, okay? Now one of the benefits I have from this course, I'm one of the first people to shoot a YouTube video about it, one of the first people to write a blog article about it, but it is a beautiful thing when I can be in Instacare with a broken wrist, getting treatment, and my systems are working and they're in place to allow me to keep continually making money. I just wanted to shoot this quick video, so if there's a product or service that you guys enjoy and you guys like, start a blog. I want to show you something real quick. This is my blog, okay? So I don't want you to feel like, I'm too late to the game. Wow, what am I gonna do? Like everyone's gonna start a blog has already started a blog, and I can't do anything. I have nothing. So I started in February on this blog. I started learning heavily about affiliate marketing in January. I had done some in the past. I have another website that gets 2 million views a year, but it's a religious website, and there's not a ton of affiliate marketing opportunities in that religiousness that could bring a lot of money. So I wanted to convert my site and create another site in kind of the make money online niche. So I started this website in February, knowing that I could recreate the success that I had with my website calledtoshare.com. I knew I could recreate it in make money online niche. So February, my views were 55, and I guarantee you most of those views were my own as I'd go to my site and kind of look up stuff. March, same thing, no one really saw anything. April started to pick up, 213 views. May doubled to 449. June kind of stayed stagnant, 431. So far in July, I have 138 views after what, 5 days? So it's looking like I'm going to finish around 800 views. So if you are considering publishing and you want to do passive income, affiliate marketing, start a website, start publishing content, start reviewing the things that are meaningful to you. And I guarantee you that, give Google 3, 4, 5, 6 months to kind of see what you're doing, to believe that you're legit and you're real and you're sticking around, and things will grow exponentially. I'm going to check back in a few months, and I guarantee you I'm going to be getting 1,000 to 2,000 views a month. And the same goes for YouTube. Publishing. So what I've been doing, I haven't been publishing a ton at the beginning, but what I'm doing now is I'm publishing. You can see 2 months ago was my first, these two are my first videos. These are unlisted, but I've done 18 videos in the last couple months. My goal now is I'm going to be doing 3 videos every week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And again, similarly with the blog, as I continue to push out content, things will grow. YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. People will start finding my content. Anyway, want to do this quick walkthrough just to see how it's starting to work. I want you guys to know I'm starting, I'm kind of where you are. I still work my 9 to 5. I'm trying to build up enough passive income so that I can move away from that and dedicate to this full time. But it takes work. You gotta grind it out. It's not a get rich quick thing. You gotta take it one step at a time. If you guys have any questions, just please leave a comment below. I would love if you would subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, and engage with my content. If you guys engage with my content, ask me questions, I will answer them for you. You can also reach out to me at ben@passiveautomation.com. I'll gladly help you with anything that you need. Until next time, on the next video, just keep working hard, keep grinding it out, and you guys are going to see tons of success. We'll talk to you soon.